Today we are going to prepare Bangalore's special kaveri fish curry, which is really tasty. For this, let us take 2 kgs of fishes, kaveri fish. Take a big pan, add some oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Take 10 to 15 peppercorns. Now add 15 to 20 garlic cloves, green chilies, curry leaves and 2 big onions. Sort them. Now add required amount of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So let us sort it and cook for some time. Once this onion is cooked, add 4 big tomatoes. Sort it and let this mixture cook well. Now add red chili powder. This is the mixture of red chili and coriander. And this is the powder with 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, cumin and pepper. This is the special powder which gives really taste for the kaveri fish curry. Now add tamarind juice. Wow, this mixture we have to just lightly cook. Now add 2 to 3 glasses of water. Mix them well. Increase the flame and cook for 10 minutes. Now let us close the lid and cook. Let it boil. This is boiling. Now you add fishes one by one. Usually we don't mix the fishes after adding too much. So these fishes may break. You should not mix much. This is cooked. So after 5 minutes, usually fishes cook within 10 to 15 minutes. Now the fish is cooked well. Keep it aside. Usually when you make fish curry, if it is cooked on the before day and if you are serving on the next day, really this fish curry will taste excellent. So try it and let me know the comments in the comment section. Thank you.